welcome to my channel, Candy Perler Fairy. So today I'm gonna bring you another awesome tutorial to make a new 3D perler. So if you check out my Instagram or shorts, but you can see in the thumbnail what we're building today, right? Of course. Yeah, so before I start, I want to thank everyone for all your support and love for my channel. I've reached 3,000 subscribers. Yay! Time to celebrate, right? Yeah, but I really truly thank you for all your support, especially those ones that, you know, have subscribed long time ago and have been like always building using my tutorial. Also tag me on Instagram so I can see, you know, what you have built. Like some of you have been very creative, like changing the color. I love to see them all. So if you build any of them, you know, tag me on Instagram so I can, you know, give you a special shout out, and other can also see that they can make things, you know, just DIY with Perler Beads. So that's a great thing. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe by clicking the button and the bell so you'll get notification whenever I post new video. Lately I also post more video on making fossil art, so it's kind of like a 3D model that really helps me in creating like new 3D perler. So I just want to share the experience and the journey how I make them, so maybe one day you want to just get into it and play around with the app. That will be, you know, hopefully it's gonna be helpful. So before we start, I'm going to show you a couple tutorials that I have posted recently. So like the Sailor Moon one, this is what I made last year, and I did a class. It was on Skillshare, but now it's on my YouTube channel, so you can check it out and do it step by step. You can make this cutie. And also I did a live video recently, I think last week, and then I built the Eternal. Yeah, this one is super cute. It's you know, it's actually they're very different. So I hope you're gonna build both of them. And if you build this one and tag me on Instagram, I'm gonna send you the pattern so you can build this one. It's a lot easier. Also lately, a lot of you really like the Kuromi, so I also have the tutorial to build this one. Make sure you check it out. So I'm not sure if you guys are a fan of the Tweety bird and Garfield, but recently I was like building the model and then creating my own pattern. It was really hard in the beginning and very challenging, but I found it really fun. So I'm going to show you what I made. Yay! So this is the Tweety bird that I built. I didn't know that it would come out this big, but it's super cute, and my cousin is a big fan, so I'm gonna give this to her. And then I don't know if anyone's Garfield's fan. I also built him. Oh my god, I love Garfield. He's like super cute, and some of the time I'm just like him. I just want to lay down and just relax. So this one I'm still working on it to finish the pattern. So comment down below if you're a big fan of Garfield, like we can build this together. Alright, so let's get into today's tutorial. It's Goku from Dragon Ball. I hope you guys are a fan of him. I used to watch him when I was a little kid, but I'm more into like Sailor Moon, Pikachu, Pokemon, and all that. So I don't watch that show that much. But someone asked me if I can design this one. I was thinking about it a long time ago, but I didn't have time. But so that I finally get into it, and I want to make it as easy as possible, then it's actually very challenging for me. But I think I made it very easy. If you saw the clip that I was building it, so it can go really fast. Once you have all the pieces, you can get this done in like 5 minutes. And I also did a poll to see if you guys like to have like this, like no smile, or have a big smile, and a lot of you voted for a big smile, so I was kind of modify it to have it this way. I hope it comes out good, that you guys like it. But my tutorial today is gonna be building this one. But at the end I'm gonna put the pattern. It's only a little bit twist at the like on the a few pieces, so you can design which one you like. You like the one with the smile or without the smile, either way. Yeah, so I made this one because I want to give it to my friends, so I make a large one. Yeah, so I don't know if you're gonna make the small one or the big one, but both of them are actually really good, super cute. Yeah, so if you build this one, tag me on Instagram so I can see your Goku. I'm gonna share with others, give you a special shout out. All right, so I did a lot of talking today. Let's go. Yay! Alright, let's get started. So as you can see, I have the pieces here. These are the connector pieces, and then I have the pieces in order. Alright, let's get together. So here, we're gonna use this connector first to go under, right here, all the way in. As you can see, the skin color goes all the way in. And then this is gonna be the second piece, so it's even. So just going onto the top. And then one more is gonna be this connector piece goes to the top. Yay! All right, so followed by this piece. So just gonna slide it into the back. This way it's easier to put it in because you kind of have the hand in support. And we're gonna come back to this bottom connector, okay? So it's gonna go this way. So you can see the nose is coming back. Coming to the front. All right, so let's go to this piece right here. Yep, so as you can see, just take it one at a time because you see a little struggling as well. If you're working on small beads, mini beads, sometimes it happens. Okay, yep, and then let's work on this one. All right, look, how is it going? Okay, it's looking pretty good. And let me see, because these two are the hair by the ear, so I want to see if we should put this one first. Let's go this way. As you can see, this project we don't need any glue. All right, so we got it in. Let's see if we should insert this right now. So this one goes on this side. Yep, just like so. And then this one goes to the other side. A little tricky to put it in there. Let me see, do I have to flip it? Okay, so it goes a little bit open and slide it in. Yay! All right, so let's continue working to the back. This one is a little bit loose, but once we tie it up, it should be okay. So this one, we're gonna go this way. The extra hair going on this side, and then we're almost done here. So you can see this piece in the back actually locks this one as well. Looking good? All right, so one more to the back. Yay, so we're done with the hat pieces. Let's come to the bottom piece right here. Flip it to the bottom, and then it will go this way. All right, let's coming back to the remaining pieces. So this one will be the bangs on the top. So it goes this way using my nails, and then one more bangs on over here. Looking good. And then you can see these two. You can see these two right here. So I'm just gonna slide it right through. Yep, just adding a little extra connection on these. You can see this connects to the front as well. And then this one would connect on the top. Just kind of fill it out and make it more stable. Yay! So we're done with the hat. Let's move on. Alright, let's get started with the body. It's gonna be pretty easy, so let's have fun. So as you can see, we're gonna start with the leg, and then you have to have, a set on each side. So let's start with this piece, and we'll need the connectors to go here, these two other connectors. Okay, so it just, so I'm working with the mini bead again. I love it so much, but sometimes it can be a little bit challenging. And then so this piece follows right here. Yep. And then one more goes here. All right, so and then we have this black little piece right here to go in from here. Now we got one side ready. Okay, so let's work on the other side. So on this side, we're gonna have it this way. And then of course it's gonna be the opposite goes inside. So it's gonna be this piece to go in first. Yep, so I kind of put the pieces in order so it makes it easier. And then this one follows this way. Just like so. And then adding this little black piece in the middle to make it firm. Yay! So now we have one on each side. Let's work on the body. Okay, maybe we can even fill up the back. Let's go here. Yep, just like so. And then one more. Okay. Alright, this side is gonna look better. Looking good. And then go on this side. This way. And then one more. Yay, so we got the bottom part ready. Let's work on the body. As you can see, I have a connector here for all the pieces. So this one has an extra one than this. So this is gonna be facing the front. Okay, so let's go in from here. This is gonna be the second piece. All right, using my nail. And then this is gonna go right here. Actually, I forgot to mention, these two looks identical, but actually this one has an extra long bead, so you're gonna find out why later. So they're not exactly the same. This has a little extra right here. Okay, so let's continue building up the body. So just follow the order going in. Alright, let me see. I think one more. Then I have to start adding the legs. Alright, so it looks good now. Let's go to this piece first. We're gonna go from the back to go in this way. So just slide it through and then also clip those two beads inside here. You should get it right. Looking good? Alright, I can see the form already, right? And then so this side, again, you're gonna go from the back. It's easier to go like this. And then slide those two beads in. Then you got it done. Alright, so let's continue. The order continue from here. So we're gonna add this piece onto the back. Yay. Just a couple more going. So this one will slide it through here. Looking really, really cool. Okay, so last piece to the back. Right here. Yay! So it looks like we're done. Okay, actually this piece I would like to flip it. It might be better if I flip it. Okay. I don't know. Let's give it a try. Yeah, I like it better this way. Okay, and then one more. Looking awesome. Okay, so you can see the extra bead that I told you earlier because this one is gonna hold on to this. So you see this one hold on to this extra piece to the front to make it more dimension, and then the last two pieces here actually goes under the underarm So you will slide it right here to go under. It might not be that stable. You can use hot glue to add it. So then they will not lose in place. Yay! So I'm done with the body. Let's come back with the head right here. Super cool. Yay! I'm so happy that you have him now. Alright, tag me on Instagram if you make this one. Would like to see it, and I'll give you a special shout out. And stay tuned for more tutorial. I'll see you guys soon. Bye! Alright, so this is the pattern for the smiley face. So it's only these 3 pieces that is different. So it has like the smile, the mouth part. So maybe you want to screenshot this. And then it's just gonna be the same way to put it back. Right here, the first one. And then the second one. Yep, and then just the bottom, so you can see just slightly different. And I'm gonna complete with the bangs on the top. Yay! So this is the one with the smiley face. Yay! Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you!